Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this Beginner's Guide to HTML series. In this video, I wanted to throw out a little challenge for you. So based on all the materials we have covered so far, I have created an HTML page, and I want you to create an HTML document that looks similar to mine, okay? So here you can see I've created an HTML document called challenge. And if I open it, this is what the document looks like. So as you can see over here, we're using a bunch of elements. We're using quite a few headings. We're also using some elements to format our text. And then we also have a button element over here. So over here, it says Beginner's Guide to HTML, and then we got a horizontal row. So the first thing you're probably gonna notice is everything is centered. You can see that I've changed some color over here. We have underlined a word, and we have also provided a link to w3schools.com. That works perfectly. Finally, at the bottom, there's an image, and over here we have used the subscript element. So I want you to try and create a web page that's similar to this. But in case you get stuck, I'll provide the source code to this document in the description of this video. Alright, before I end this video, I wanted to give you guys a hint. Alright, before I end this video, here's a little hint for you. In order to center everything in our document, this is what I did. So inside our body tag, we used its style attribute. And then we use the text align property. And alright, so have fun with this challenge, and I'll see you guys in the next video.